Check it out, lawn amateurs. Yeah, this is a good sign here. This means it's time to scalp this bad boy down now. Everything is completely wiped out pretty much. Except, got some new weed growth in here that I was kind of shocked with. Look at that. This is like, I guess it's grass coming in. New grass growing in. So the weed and grass killer did a good job of wiping out everything, but it didn't completely wipe out everything. But we're not going to be too anal about that. We're not going to let that ruin what we're doing here. We're going to get to work. We're going to scalp this bad boy down, get the yard prepped up, even it out with a little topsoil. We're just going to get everything going. But I did notice one area here that got some kind of moss coming in here. And I kind of expected that this area would be have some moss going on, because that area don't really get a lot of sun and it stays kind of moist and soggy. So I know that's going to be a little problem area in the future, but I'm not going to worry about that right now, because I want to get this bad boy scalped down. I want to get the seeds planted, everything going, because it's maybe like a week before summer officially hits. So I know we're kind of pushing time here, but we're gonna still do it here. Now look at this, got a couple more grass and weeds coming in. Let's get a close up on that. Yeah, so it didn't completely wipe out everything. It killed all the existing grass, but it got a lot of new growth coming in for some reason. It's kind of crazy, but that's what you probably get with using the 18% glyphosate and not using something stronger, more abrasive. So I'm not going to complain too much, because that was on the cheaper side. This was like done with the Walmart brand of glyphosate. So I mean, overall the product did its job, it did well. So I can't complain too much. And it was a cheaper product. Now if it was like something like name brand like Roundup or Compare and Save with like a higher concentrate of glyphosate, I probably would have been very upset. But I'm not gonna worry about it too much, because I'm still gonna have to, when I plant my seeds and my new topsoil, I'm still gonna have to fight off weeds anyway. That's expected. So, but I'm just happy. Look at it. It's amazing. I'm very happy with the results. I'm ready to get to work here. It's real windy out here today, so excuse the wind if you can hear that. And I have this rock here that I'm gonna dig out and remove, because this right here will mess up your lawnmower blade if you get a little too close on it. It'll either chip it or bend it up, anything. So you don't want that in there. And it's an eyesore. You don't want that. You don't want that in there. You want your grass nice and leveled out. So, but that's what we're gonna do here. But it's beautiful. Look at that. Strictly amazing. I can see this. I can just envision all of this just being nice green grass growing up, real thick, nice turf style type of grass. I'm ready to get to work. I got to get this pavement, got to do this over, level it out. There's a lot of work here, but this is what we do it for. The enjoyment, the pleasure of seeing the results, everything of that nature. So stay tuned. That's all I could tell you. Just stay tuned.